never wise to try and raise money on an idea. So you really have to be doing it, and perhaps doing it for a while, showing that you can generate money that does not rely on external funders. If you're starting out, you may have a little bit of money yourself, maybe friends or family might be able to help, but that's about as far as you can usually go until you get properly started. Banks can often be a source, although generally banks are still learning about this field to some extent. There's a number of what we call intermediary organizations who have been given funds, often either by government or by philanthropic, by wealthy people, and they sometimes manage funds. And then occasionally the government will put out something.
U Hrvatskoj za one koji zapravo žele započeti neki poduzetnički pothvat, znači pričamo o socijalnom poduzetniku, prije svega je potrebno puno entuzijazma, jako dobra motivacija, jer socijalnim poduzetnicima je ipak nešto otežan pristup kapitalu za razliku od ostalih poduzetnika, ali ono što socijalnim poduzetnicima stoji na raspolaganju to su zapravo različiti grantovi. U Hrvatskoj imamo sad IPA program, imamo isto tako neke programe poticanja od strane nacionalne zaklade, znači ukoliko se radi o udrugama ili ako se radi o zadruzi ili socijalnoj zadruzi, isto tako postoje neka državna sredstva s kojima se to poduzetništvo zapravo može započeti.
Accounting is very important because you can very easily get into a position where you simply run out of money. And so it's important to have as realistic as you can, an estimate of your expenditure and also how much you expect to earn. Now, how much you expect to earn is a harder thing to estimate. And social entrepreneurs are typically more optimistic than most people. So I would try and be quite realistic and quite tough on yourself and get other people to have a look at your estimates.
Mi se bavimo socijalnim poduzetništvom već 12 godina, znači sami smo socijalni poduzetnik, plasiramo zapravo neke svoje usluge na tržište, naplaćujemo ih. Marketinške usluge, osnovali smo jednu marketinšku agenciju koja pruža znači marketinške usluge, radimo dosta treninga, konzultacije, programa evaluacije, znači sve ono što znamo na neki način našim korisnicima dajemo besplatne kroz projekte, ali isto tako na tržištu naplaćujemo i nama je to stvarno pomoglo kroz ovih 12 godina da postanemo održivi.